Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Cancer, water sign. This reading is about your person's current feelings and their intentions, especially the person on your mind and outcome and advice. This is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Cancer, water sign. What are the messages for Cancer, water sign? So this side your person current feelings and this side yours and middle mutual. So energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see your person current feelings. Yours. Wow. Let's see mutual. It's your card and it's your reading. Let's clarify the cards. Let's clarify the mutual. 10 of Pentacles. Wow. Another the Hermit and 10 of Wands and Queen of Swords. I think you both are in no contact for some. If you are in relationship with this person, this is on and off relationship. And 10 of Wands. I think it is becoming hard work, especially for you. Overburden. Maybe your emotions are running high. Cancer. You are right now going through some transformation. Maybe you person right now going through some transformation. In my view, it is you. And the person involved in this connection could be especially Virgo, Aquarius or Libra or Sagittarius or Cancer. Could be another Cancer also. So let's see your person current feeling. Justice with Page of Cups, High Priestess with Hangman and Temperance with the Moon. I think they want second chances with you. Yes, Cancer. They're thinking about how to communicate and how to approach because Justice, Libra and Page of Cups apology. So if they hurt you in past, now they want to say apology to you. For some children's also involved in this connection. So right now they want to communicate with you. They want to give clarity. And High Priestess with Hangman, they are listening to their intuition. They're spiritually awakening. Cancer. Right now they're stuck and they're thinking about you a lot. And the Moon with Temperance. They want to restore the balance within themselves and at the same time they're patiently waiting for right time to approach you. Yeah, still there are some issues between you and your person, some illusions, some arguments, but they want to be with you. They want to say apology and they want second chances. From your side, Ace of Cups with Star, Two of Cups, Knight of Cups and Queen of Wands with Chariot. So you love this person a lot. You have so much love towards this person. Ace of Cups with Star. Even though if you are in separation with this person, you still have hopes on this connection. And this love is mutual because Two of Cups with Knight of Cups. This person have romantic feelings for you or you have romantic feelings for them. But this love is mutual. The love between you and your person is mutual and you both have strong soulmate connection also. And the Chariot with Queen of Wands, and you at the same time you are working on yourself, you are taking your control back. Yes, right now it is slow moving energy because right now your person feeling stuck. That's why the relation energy is very slow, but you are working on yourself, you are taking your control back. You will be in this energy future. Cancer. So let's see mutual. 10 of Pentacles and Ace of Pentacles. Very beautiful energy. So stability is coming in this relationship and new beginnings for those who are in separation. For those who are in relationship with this person right now, it is going to be next level. So 10 of Pentacles stability and Ace of Pentacles long-term commitment. Marriage. If you are in relationship, there will be marriage. So if you are already married but there are some disputes, then disputes will resolve. And the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, especially Sagittarius, Gemini, Aquarius, Virgo, or Libra. So let's see your person intentions. Cancer. Under the deck, Four of Cups with Three of Cups. They are missing you. They are missing the times with you. They are remembering the happy moments with you in which had happened past. So yeah, they're missing you. Without you, they're feeling lonely. So let's see their intentions. Okay. King of Pentacles. Two of Swords. Knight of Wands. Under the deck, Ten of Pentacles with Four of Cups. Yeah, they're ready to offer stability to this connection. Maybe they are at some crossroads. Before coming towards you, they have to make some decision. Maybe they're juggling right now between you and their career, between you and their family, between for some third party situation also. But they are very attracted to you. They still attracted to you. They're very passionate towards you. For some in past, maybe this person in and out of your life, but now they're serious about you. They're seriously thinking about commitment with you, marriage with you, because Ten of Pentacles. They want this happy family with you, Cancer. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Lot of juggling, Tower. So for some children also involved in this connection, or one person have kids. Ace of Swords with two. Yeah, they want clarity first because they are at some crossroads. They have to make some decision right now. Still they're juggling. Still they're confused because Two of Pentacles and Two of Swords came in this reading, and Ace of Swords. So they want clarity. From Two of Swords, they want Ace of Swords. Means they want clarity. Right now your person is confused. But after that one, they will get clarity. They will approach you. They will come back with an apology. But it will take some time because right now your person, yeah, attracted to you. They really want to offer stability. But they want clarity. So let's see the suggestion. That's why they're patiently waiting. Nine of Pentacles with the Fool. Yeah, new beginnings. Six of Cups. You both thinking about each other a lot. This is strong soulmate connection. Yeah, Nine of Pentacles. I think you both want new beginnings with each other. At the same time, you both are very independent, especially financially and emotionally. I think one person is very independent and very strong. Yeah, there is a chance for new beginnings, but the suggestion is you have to live in the present moment and go with the flow, and you have to work on yourself, especially on your abundance, and you both have strong soulmate connection with each other. Yeah, King of Cups, there is love. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel, Cancer. You are the only one for me. Reconciliation. I want to express my love. New love is coming for those. For some, I am not feel good enough for you. Communication is coming. So the messages are: you are the only one for me. Reconciliation. I want to express my love. New love is coming. I am not feeling good enough for you. Communication is coming. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck. The answers you need are coming. Full moon in Gemini energy, and believe in the impossible, blue moon. So if you want to achieve anything or you are doing manifestation but you are not trusting, but you have to trust the process and believe in the impossible. So this is the reading, guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.